So here,
Okay.
what is we need this information for producing the goods. For
Okay. This
each
is
product,
okay.
for each line item, we need information how much we are going to sell, how much
Okay.
the business is going to be for the next 5 months. Then only we can start producing.
Yeah.
Okay, at least we can plan.
Yeah.
We can plan so that how this is 5 months we are generating. Is it a 5 months requirement? Is there or we need a 1 year? That depends on the business to business.
Okay.
Okay. So here how it is generating this information, here we are just simply uh, uh, given the values, but in real time how it will generate by without knowing anything, can't simply give these values.
Okay.
It should know some information, that is sales history.
Yeah.
This is a forecast.
Okay. Okay.
These are all
Okay.
is a forecast.
Okay.
Okay, here is sales history.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sales history of last 6 months.
Okay.
Okay, maybe September, August. May. So we should know maybe last 5 months sales so that we can generate future 5 months.
Okay.
Okay. So here you may have this one. Okay. Here the values may be like near to 1000 actual values,
Mm-hmm.
950. So this is the sales history. Maybe this could be the sales history. Based on that, the system will generate a forecast. Okay.
Okay.
So the system will read, okay, this is the last 6 months sales history.
Okay.
Okay, for this product, Sun 6 product, in the last 5 months, this is the sales values. So
Okay.
based on that, it will give some assumption values. Okay, this could be the future sales for that
Yeah.
product.
Yeah.
So we have in demand planning, we have some techniques. So with that, we'll generate a forecast. So once it generates, it may give like this. So here we are calling this is a forecast. The
Okay.
future values we can call it a forecast, and this one we are calling as a sales history.
Okay.
Okay, these are the sales history and these are the forecast. Okay, so here if you now this is a business. Okay,
Okay.
this is our business. These are the products we are selling. Okay, these are the values for the last 5 months, and this is the values for the forecast we are expecting. So we need to produce these many goods, this much of quantity for each product. Okay, this
Okay.
is a just general structure. So this structure we have to define in the demand planning.
Okay.
Okay, how to define here is, so before defining, so here if you see, these are all headers.
Yeah.
We just okay, one each header will have a different values.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a production headers. So in demand planning, we'll call these headers are a characteristics.
Yeah.
Okay, and these are all another headers. This is a sales history, and this one is the forecast.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this these headers we'll call it as key figures.
Okay.
Okay, we'll call these as a key figures.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so now we need to define these characteristics and these key figures. So this is
Mm-hmm.
generally business structure. When once we define, we can consider these are the characteristics and these are the key figures. So now these things we need to configure in demand planning. So in demand planning, we have a different things like a MPOS,
Yeah.
POS, planning
Mm.
object structure.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, and a planning area
Okay.
and a planning book.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and a storage bucket profile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in these characteristics, in this MPOS, okay,
Mm-hmm.
we are
Mm-hmm.
defining characteristics.
Okay.
We need to define characteristics in MPOS.
Yeah.
So in this MPOS, what we are doing here, we need to define. Okay, we need
Mm-hmm.
a product character. We need a location character. We need a division character. Like this, you can have whatever the characteristics you are using in your business. Those things you can define in planning object structure.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So like this in this planning area, you will define these key figures.
Okay.
A sales history, a forecast, you will have different key figures, other key figures also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so those adjustment key figures, some final key figures, some other different key figures, those will be there. So
Mm-hmm.
all these things you need to define in planning area. Okay,
Okay.
so planning area deals with key figures.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you're defining these characteristics in MPOS and key figures in planning area. But here in this Excel sheet, we are able to view this data.
Okay.
Okay, for this each line item, this is we called as a this is a master data.
Okay.
This one. Okay, this master data. Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
master data. Okay,
Okay.
for each master data, we have figures here. We can
Okay.
able to see here in this Excel sheet. But in
Okay.
system, in demand planning, where you will see the values is in demand planning, in planning book.
Okay.
Okay, planning book is like a kind of view. It will give you a view. It will give you these figures values.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for that viewing the values, you need to define a planning book.
Okay.
Okay, and here we are dealing with the some month wise. Here we are telling, okay, this is the last 5 months values, this is the next 5 months value. So here if you observe, each value we are defining, we are looking at a monthly wise.
Mm-hmm.
All are monthly wise. Okay,
Okay.
but sometimes in your business you may need monthly or weekly also. If you want to go in a detail wise, you may
Mm-hmm.
have to go in a weekly wise. In November month you may have 1 2 3 4 weeks. So each week how much values are there. So if you want to see, you have to define in a weekly wise. So those things are a monthly wise or a weekly wise or a daily wise. Those things you need to define in a storage bucket profile.
Okay.
Okay, storage bucket profile is a way you are telling the system, I want, okay, these under these time categories.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, monthly or a weekly or a daily or a quarterly, that you need to define, so that once you define, then only you can able to view under that time buckets.
Okay.
Okay, here example I have taken a monthly buckets only. You
Mm-hmm.
can go with the weekly buckets, you can go with the daily buckets also.
Okay.
Okay, but how you that is how you want to store the data, as a
Mm-hmm.
monthly store wise you want to store, or a weekly wise. So that things
Mm-hmm.
you need to define here in this storage bucket profile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these things you need for the basic things. These are the primary basic things which required for the configuration of the demand planning.
Okay.
Any doubts here?
No, sure.
Okay, so here what are the elements, what are the things we are going to discuss in demand planning is like POS.
Okay.
POS is the planning object structure where you need to define a characteristics, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and a planning area
Okay.
and a storage bucket profile. Storage bucket profile and a planning books. Okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
need a, so these are the things we are going to discuss. Okay,
Okay.
and the forecasting profiles, where the
Mm-hmm.
forecasting profiles means the techniques you use for generating this forecast.
Okay.
Okay, there are different techniques are there in demand planning. Using those techniques you will generate this forecast.
Mm-hmm.
So what are those techniques that will define in the
Okay.
forecasting profiles?
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and realignment
Mm-hmm.
and life cycle planning
Okay.
and jobs and from BW and releasing data to ECC as well as SNP.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the things we are going to discuss in demand planning.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is for, like, this is for the only configuration.
Okay.
The first things are only for the configurations. Okay. Once the configuration is done, then you will start generating. Then macros here before realignment. The macros will come. Macros and real elements, lifecycle plannings, jobs, pulling data from BW and releasing the data to ECC and SNP. All these things we are going to discuss. Okay, we have
Okay.
like a process chains.
Okay.
Process chains will cover in DP and SNP to both together. So
Okay.
either in DP or in SNP we can discuss about this topic.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
yeah. So any doubts in this one?
In this I doesn't have any doubts, but in
Okay.
the sheet 3,
Yeah.
okay, actually, which one will come the first from the, before starting the DP, we must pull the data
These are all
from,
DP topics.
yeah, yeah, before
That
starting,
this will come.
okay,
This will come somewhere here. No, I think all of them are in the sync only, but this only this one, this pulling data from BW will come here, and forecasting profiles and macros, real element, lifecycle planning and jobs, and yeah, and releasing data is CCS and process chains. Yes.
okay. Actually, means once the DP consultant, the real work starts from the planning object structure or from the,
Yeah, the real configuration will start with this planning object structure. First you need to define, then planning area, then
mm-hmm.
storage bucket profile, then planning area. Okay, then you need to create a planning books, then you start the data, pulling the data from BW and generating a forecast, and then running a macros, and then real
Okay,
elements, life cycle plannings like that.
okay, okay. Means it doesn't pull the data from ECC,
Yeah, so here will not directly pull the data from ECC to
okay,
SD.
Okay.
because there is no direct tool available from ECC SD to demand planning.
Okay.
It will go through BW.
Okay.
Okay, so in real time BW consultants will be there to help on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so we will take those BW consultants help. Okay, we'll
Mm-hmm.
tell, okay, this is the data we want from ECC, then they will store in BW structure. Okay,
Okay.
once they have done, then we use their structure to pull the data.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that we'll see what are the tool available here, what are the transaction code where we can go and pull the data from BW to demand planning.
Okay. 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 Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
any doubts?
No, Kishore.
Okay, so I will stop for the day today. We'll
Okay.
start directly in the system configuring these things. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so if you have any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, then tomorrow or next class we'll start configuring these things in the system.
Okay. And one
Okay,
thing,
so when is your next availability timings?
I think in the same time, Sir Kumar. This is the same time, I think.
Uh, I am not available in the weekends in the evening timings.
Okay.
Rajendra.
Okay.
Then I can come online again on Monday evening.
Okay. Okay. What about the weekends? No, Kishore. Sorry.
Weekends only in the morning. If it is morning, I can able to available.
Okay. Morning 7.
7:15.
Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. One thing, Kishore, how much time it will take to complete the DP portion? Means how many
DP
days?
it will be around 20 hours.
Okay. Including the
Around
weekend.
20 hours. Huh?
Including the weekend.
Generally 20 hours. How you will take it on that one? Means
Mm-hmm.
if you continuously go, it may take it 20 days like that.
Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay, Kumar. Okay, sure, sir.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So are you available tomorrow morning?
I think tomorrow, no, Kishore, for this particular weekend, I'm not available.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we can have it on Monday.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, no
Anything,
problem.
anything is there, I'll
So
inform to Anusha.
sure, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you.
then see you on Monday evening, same time,
Yeah,
7:30
yeah,
again.
same time, same time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Bye, bye. Thank you.
Have a nice